So first click on that rocket frame here on the left side. And what we want to do is click on prototype here on the top right. And then what we want to do is add an interaction. And this is these interactions are helpful. Let's say we're making like an iPhone mockup. You can make interactions where if you click a button, it'll take you to another screen. So we're kind of using these interactions in a different way here. So here what we're going to do is an interaction is going to be after a delay. So we're not going to click anything to make the interaction work. It's just going to be after a delay. And we're going to make the interaction detail be navigating to the next vector, rocket 2, the next frame. And the animation, we want to do a smart animation. Easing out is going to work, and let's make that 500 milliseconds. To make it a little bit slower. These are all things you can play with to see what you like the best. But I like this speed. And after delay, I like 250 milliseconds here after a delay. Okay, great. And now let's click on Rocket 2. And we need to do the same thing. Under prototype interactions, we need to do an interaction detail where it is after delay, and it's going to be to navigate to Rocket 3. And this is going to be, again, after a delay of 250 milliseconds. We're going to navigate to Rocket 3. The animation is going to be a smart animation, and it's going to be 500 milliseconds. Okay, great. So now, if we go to this button here, the Present Play button, it's going to open up a new tab here so we can see. Let's just restart. So every time you can restart by hitting R or just clicking the button. So hit R, and you can see now we have this GIF, or it's not a GIF yet, but it's an animation where it's starting below the background and it's going pausing for 250 milliseconds in the middle, and then it's going to the top. Okay, perfect. So at this point we're finished with Figma, and what we need to do is record our screen so that way we can save this as a video. And the way we're going to do that is to use a tool called Loom. And Loom is actually the tool that I'm using to record my screen right now. And what you need to do is download Loom, and it's free for the purposes of what you're doing here.